If biology feels confusing to you, you are at the right place. Welcome to NeoGen. Here we understand biology with the help of simple diagrams. Cell. What is a cell? A cell is the smallest unit of life. Every living thing, that is plants, animals, and humans, are made up of cells. Your body contains trillions of cells. Trillions of cells. And these cells are like a teeny factory in our body. Now we will learn parts of cell. The first part is the cell membrane. This outer covering is called the cell membrane. This outer covering, the cell membrane, controls the things which go out or move into the cell. The main work of this cell membrane is protection and control. The second part of the cell is the cytoplasm. Now you can see in the cell there is some jelly-like structure. That is called the cytoplasm. Is of cell happens in the cytoplasm. As you can see, the blue one. Now the third one, and this part is the most important, the nucleus. It controls all the activities in the cell. It is situated in the middle of the cell, nearly. This is called the brain of the cell. It controls the cell. It contains genetic material. That it is. Now pause this video and try to make the cell by yourself. Now let's revise. Membrane, control and protection. Cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is the place for all activities. Nucleus, it is the brain of the cell. If school never teaches you in that way you understand, don't worry. We are here for you only. You are not bad at learning. You just need a different way of learning. So take care. We will meet in the next video.